Good morning, Mexico. Today we will talk about a big challenge for Mexico, the municipal solid waste. Then we will show you an interview with Felipe Olmedo, who is the Director General de Inspección y Vigilancia de Sustancias Peligrosas de la Procuraduría General de Protección al Ambiente. So, let's begin.
Hello!
My name is Fernanda.
I'm Hector.
I'm Paris.
So today we will discuss an important challenge Mexico is facing, the accumulation of municipal solid waste.
Mexico City is the second place in the world with the largest municipal solid waste. Every day, more than 12,000 tons of garbage are generated in the country's capital. This means that around 4,738,079 tons are generated per year.
There we can see different statistics of this problem.
I think that it is important to control this problem because it can affect many areas and the lifestyle of people. There are many limitations in the provision of the service, and the use of waste is scarce as compared to the countries of equal or greater economy. Pollution is a greater challenge for Mexico. Since the government does not invest in what it owes, there are no campaigns with good ideologies or environmental education.
Well, yeah, and another major conflict with waste is that transnational and national companies pollute ecosystems on a larger scale regardless of the future consequences. Also, the government allows this to continue as these companies bribe the authorities to continue their activities so that they do not face the established regulations and having no punishment.
Politically speaking, the problem has a political view since MSW is one of the main pollutants in the metropolitan area, and its proper management is necessary to ensure a proper place of living for the citizens and to minimize the possible damage to the environment.
In Mexico City, the Secretaría del Medio Ambiente is the one responsible to ensure the proper disposal of the municipal solid waste.
Well, I would like to quote current governor of Mexico City, Miguel Ángel Mancera, who is responsible for making sure SEDEMA handles property. MSW indicated that, and I quote, like I say, the challenge is to get to zero waste. Mexico City will use practically 100% all solid waste for a different task for power generation, construction material, among other things.
Well, yeah, although Mancera said this, we believe that beyond the government's responsibility to properly dispose garbage, there is still a huge lack of awareness of how much harm or deadly residues can cause to the environment, and Mexico's government should be in charge of giving consciousness throughout the country.
Yeah, awareness is necessary to diminish this problematic, because most of the garbage accumulation problems in Mexico has affected mainly urban areas.
Economically speaking, almost all garbage comes from the cities where the economy is more fluid and people have better income. They start to buy more products and therefore generate more waste. Garbage produces greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane.
The environmental costs derived from economic activities. In 2014, according to INEGI, represented the 5.3% of the national GDP. This includes the cost of preventive campaigns and to remedy the depletion of natural resources.
There is actually a term called PINE, that means Producto Interno Neto Ecológico, which results from subtracting the consumption of fixed capital and the cost of environmental damages from the GDP. In 2014, the PINE of Mexico was about 83.2% of the GDP.
Yeah, and the corruption in Mexico is still present, even with topics such as environmental awareness. But wait, who is affected with this problem?
Well, all Mexican population is being affected by the waste accumulation. But according to OCDE, the 53.7% of Mexican population that is poor is the most affected sector because many live near the landfill.
Yeah, and the economy of the people that live these open landfills is based on the regulation of PET, glass and electronic devices. An example of this is El Bordo de Xochiaca, one of the most affected communities in our country by the excess of MSW.
Well, El Bordo is situated in the municipality of Nezahualcóyotl inside Estado de Mexico. And guys, someone is doing something with this?
NGOs like Greenpeace Mexico are the ones taking the role of educational enterprises for environmental awareness. In 1998, they achieved a project called Mexico No es Basurero, which main purpose was to end with the trash of the border of Mexico and the USA.
Now, we will show you a special interview that our reporter Regina made with an expert on the topic, Felipe Olmedo.
Let's go with Regina.
Hello, today I'm with Felipe Olmedo, who is what's your profession?
Yo trabajo en la Procuraduría Federal de Protección al Ambiente. Soy director de Inspección y Vigilancia de Sustancias Peligrosas.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions. Can you answer them, please?
Okay.
¿Qué opinas acerca de la contaminación de plásticos en México?
La contaminación de plásticos en México se ha vuelto una carga para el país, sobre todo porque está afectando a los recursos naturales, principalmente a la flora y a la fauna, a los suelos como un sustrato, también está causando contaminación.
¿Por qué crees que es un problema que se debe erradicar en México?
Se tiene que erradicar porque es una carga, se están internalizando esos costos para poderlos eliminar y lo está haciendo el gobierno mexicano. Y aquellos que están fabricando y estamos utilizando los plásticos, los estamos desechando.
Nosotros investigamos 3 propuestas alrededor del mundo. La primera fue de Chile y cómo su índice subió el 10% cuando incrementaron los proyectos verdes. Otro fue en 1980, cuando Australia implementó el sistema Pay As You Throw, que es cuanta basura acumules, es lo que pagas de impuesto. Y actualmente en Alemania existe un súper, el cual no tiene empaques. Entonces nuestra propuesta es implementar este tipo de sistema en México, como el de Múnich, el cual consiste en un súper de refil en el cual tú llevas tu contenedor y te pagas dependiendo del peso de este. ¿Qué opinas sobre eso?
Es muy importante, creo que sí es factible, porque forma parte de la reducción de ya evitar el consumo de plástico. Y con esta propuesta que ustedes están comentando, se minimizaría la generación de este tipo de residuos plásticos.
That was an incredible interview. Good job, Regina.
Well, that was it for today. Now, see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow in Good Morning Mexico. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.